First open Start and type WS Reset. Click on WS Reset. Wait for the Windows Store to be repaired. Close the store and restart. If that didn't work, first open Start and then type PowerShell. Right-click PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Copy the text that you'll find in the description of this video. Right-click the white frame. Select Edit and then Paste. Press Enter. Type Exit and then press Enter. Now restart. If that didn't work, first open Start. Click on Settings. Click on Apps. Go to Apps and Features. Locate the Microsoft Store. Click on it and select Advanced Options. Locate Reset. Click on Reset. Press Reset again. Wait for the Windows Store to reset. Open the Windows Store. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, first open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type scconfig wowser start equals auto and then press Enter. Type scconfig bits start equals auto and then press Enter. Type scconfig crypt svc start equals auto and then press Enter. Type scconfig trusted installer start equals auto and then press Enter. Type exit and then press Enter. Restart.